So, dito tayo sa lab 3 ng midterm. This is about user registration instructions. Dito sa ano na to, mag-input tayo ng full name, username, type of user, and password. Sa password naman, dito naman meron tayo ditong validation na may password requirements na minimum of 8 characters, must include at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 digit, and 1 special character. Validation process. I use a loop to validate the password against the criteria. If the password does not meet the criteria, display an error message and prompt the user to re-enter the password. So, pag nagkamali tayo ng nilagay nating password at hindi natin sinundan yung password requirements, may lalabas na error at paparetype ulit tayo ng panibagong password. Then, dito naman, after natin makagawa tayo ng password, tapos niretype natin, tapos mali pa rin, lalabas na is does not match. Sasabihin yung password natin is does not match. A pass successful and password confirmation. Proceed to save or register the use. So ito, tignan natin yung code. May nakikita kayo ditong unique na variable. Yung unique na yan and yung nag-act as the special characters natin. So dito, gagamit ulit tayo ng function. So def function variable fast check. Then while true, password enter in password. While true, pag nag-true yung na-input nating password, magko-continue tong loop. If plus password less than 8. Ibig sabihin yan, yung password dapat is nasa 8 characters. 8 characters. Must be at least 8 characters. So pag yung password natin is wala sa 8 characters, hindi siya magko-continue. So dapat kailangan natin talaga sundan yung password requirements. If not any char that is lower, ito yung nagkahanap ng lower character. So pag nag-true, kukontinue na ulit yung system. If not any char that is upper, ito yung naghahanap ng uppercase. So at least 1 uppercase sa password natin ay meron. Or else, di siya magko-continue. Or di siya mag-true. If not any char that is digit, ito yung naghahanap ng number natin sa in-input nating password. So, if the password is ay may at least 1 number, magko-continue. Pag walang number sa password natin, di siya magko-continue. If not any char that unique for char and password. Ito yung nag-determine ng special character. So, After natin masundan yung password criteria at nag-true lahat, may mag-print na password criteria met. Means na tama yung pag-input natin ng password. Then, may mag-output ulit na password successfully created. If you met the password criteria. Then, after nang lumabas yung password criteria sa password successfully created, i-return na yung password na in-input natin. Or else, pag mali naman yung password at hindi yan sinundan yung criteria, may lalabas na password confirmation incorrect. In else, then continue. So, pag nagmali yung password natin, pwede tayo umulit. So, meron tayong panibagong function name called type. Ito naman yung nag-determine ng user type natin for user type na admin and user. So, dito, sabi dito, enter user type admin or user. So, meron tayong instruction dito, admin or user. So, dapat sundan natin yan. Pag hindi natin sinundan yan, may lalabas na your choices is user and admin only. So, pag nag-true, mag-return yung admin. Mag-return yung user type. So, nakikita mo dito merong .upper. So, kahit mag-input ka ng lowercase na user type. For example, lowercase na admin. I-return niya pa rin is uppercase. Dito naman yung i-input natin yung full name natin, enter username, full name, username, tapos i-return natin yung user type is equal sa function name ng type, then password yung function name ng pass check. So, after natapos natin yung lahat, mag-output is you successfully created a new account. Account credential overview. Dito napapakita yung full name, username, and user type and password natin. So, tingnan natin dito yung output. So, dito, sabi ko nga, una mag-input tayo ng name natin, ng username, ng type, either admin or user, and password. So, dito, nakita natin dito, lumabas is password criteria met. Kasi sinundan naman natin. Meron tayo uppercase isa, may at least one lowercase tayo, may at least one digit tayo, may one special character tayo, and yung buong buong password natin has at least 8. So, after nun, i-retype natin ulit yung password natin. So, Password confirmation incorrect daw. Since nagkamali tayo ng type. Enter password. Password criteria met. Then, pag nag-password criteria met, lalabas ulit yung in-input natin password. Then lalabas password successfully created. You successfully created a new account. Then yung overview ng account credentials natin, which is the full name, username, user type, and the password.